So we got two PCs today. So Matt, what did you build?
So what we have right here is an awesome PC that's going to be a little bit higher end. It features a 2070 Super and a Ryzen 7 5800X. And we built inside this Antec NX 260, which comes with these RGB fans that looks really nice. We also have 64 gigs of RAM that'll be more than enough for you content creators and gamers out there, while also getting a 1 terabyte SSD, NVMe SSD, that V-True AIO, and it's going to come in at a price point of $1,400 over at PC Bros. You can game, stream, do a lot of stuff. That 2070 Super with NVMe will be great for you game streamers out there and video editors because you have 64 gigs of RAM and a very fast CPU. So definitely take a look at PC Bros for this PC.
Now, this one over here. Sorry to cut you off, Mikhail. I'm just excited.
I am.
But if you want to spend about $500 less, you get a little bit less of a budget, but you still want to do some 1080p and 1440p gaming, even AAA titles. This one here is the Ryzen 5 5500 6-core 12-thread, a XFX Speedster 6600 8GB, B555 12GB NVMe SSD, 16GB 32 MHz blue RAM, and then we got a Corsair 550 watt, and we got this nice little Antec DP31 with just a little bit of RGB on the front, save some money there. And this one will only be $950 at PC Bros. So, you got definitely the baller best of best right here, and then we just got a little bit more of a budget option for the people who don't want to spend too much. pcbros.tech.